bit of a Parcel, that well-known composer. What's in the box? You order these things and you never quite remember what arrives in the order of what. Could be fun. How did I get into this dumbass thing? Krypton factor. Pendragons? The Pendragons? I won't look at the receipt because that'll give me a clue what it is. Can't remember. Is it the leather thing? Apparently it's what Orford uses. So, the expensive one. It's 200ml. Right. Ready and waiting. Applier parcimonisement. Chiffon du doucement. It's basically a soft cloth and a boff. Soft cloth. When it comes over the sheath, the flesh side, you need, generally speaking, a bit more, because it's a bit more sort of open. It goes on easy enough. Now this is something that is used in museums for renovation work and making stuff last, I imagine. So I picked up on a video, I can't remember when it was, and all of a sudden I heard Ben Orford mention, and I just got Renaissance wax. And that took me back to something I think it was an arms museum or something like Oxford or something. And some bloke said Renaissance wax. There is a slight sheen. Put it over. Apply sparingly, soft cloth, buff gently. Well, see how it goes. I shall let you know. But got to try all these things, and you pick up on the line of communications, all right, what uses what and whatever. Renaissance wax. This is like a final outer coat. I'm hoping it would be more resilient than carnauba cream, because apparently this is more of a crystalline, microcrystalline wax polish. And say it's got something important on the top there. Liz thinks it's alright. Applier parcimonisement. Chiffon du doucement. Thanks for joining me again. There should be a couple more videos if you enjoyed up there, down there, and subscribe up there.